Alright, let's take a wild ride through Canada, but not the Canada you always see on postcards. Forget the big cities for a second. I'm talking about Canada's hidden gems, the kind you'd never spot unless you really went looking. Oh, and I'm bringing you all this in glorious 4K claymation, so buckle up. First stop, Haida Gwaii. Ever heard of it? Probably not. Picture rainforests thicker than your grandma's blanket, ancient totems hidden in the mist, and eagles soaring just above your head. It's remote, it's mysterious, and it feels like stepping into a different world. I remember walking along the foggy beaches, the sand giving way under my boots, and thinking, wow, this place is pure magic. Next we're heading underground. Literally. Welcome to the Bonachare Caves in Ontario. These winding tunnels are like nature's own secret lair, fossils etched into limestone, bats flitting past, and that cool, damp air that makes you feel like you're in on a big secret. The best part? Hardly anyone knows these caves even exist. Now let's swap the darkness for pure blinding color in the Valley of Five Lakes up in Jasper National Park. Imagine 5 turquoise gems nestled among pine trees, each lake a little different. One's deep emerald, another is crystal blue. I dipped my toes in, expecting an icy shock, but the view alone warmed me right up. And the claymation? It barely does justice to the real thing, but trust me, it comes close. But hey, Canada isn't just about epic landscapes. Let's hit up Dawson City, Yukon. This place is frozen in time, literally. Old saloons, wooden boardwalks, and the midnight sun shining at 2 a.m. I joined a dance at Diamond Tooth Gertie's, tripped over my own feet, and laughed until my sides hurt. The town's gold rush past is alive in every corner, and you can feel the stories buzzing in the air. And for one last hidden wonder, let's glide over Cape Breton Highlands in Nova Scotia. Rugged cliffs, rolling green hills, and the ocean crashing far below. I hiked the Skyline Trail at sunset, the wind whipping around me, and saw wild moose grazing in the distance. It's the edge of the continent, where land meets sky, and you feel tiny in the best possible way. So here's the thing. Canada's not just a place, it's 1,000 stories waiting to be found. The secret spots, the quiet moments, the jaw-dropping views, all wrapped up in one epic, claymated adventure. If you ever get the chance, go off the beaten path. Trust me, the real Canada is hiding just around the corner. Thanks for exploring with me. Hit subscribe to join the next adventure.